This is a quick 360 look at the HEM carbide guide insert pin. Now this is a small but very critical part for installing your HEM blade guides. This part is designed to position and mount the blade guides correctly. These carbide insert pins are precision machined and come with the retaining rings and hardware you need to install them. Like all of the guide products from Black Iron, it is a direct replacement part for your HEMSAW guide systems. With this part, you will get precise mounting fit for your blade guides, and that will reduce guide wear and result in faster and more accurate cuts. Black Iron parts are built tough, built precise, and backed with a 100% satisfaction guarantee.